Welcome traders to the analysis of US oil and UK oil. Thanks for joining me here. My name is Vic. Last time when we were talking about this, we were expecting downward move on both US oil and UK oil from their respective regions, and that's what has happened. But even before that, let's see what is happening right now. So we see that we have a W pattern on monthly time frame, and we were expecting market to fall down from NFCP zone, and the market has started to show some reversal here, and it can actually fall back down right into 50 or even lower than that to 46 level or so this is looking like a very good opportunity, and if you got involved in the first stage of this opportunity, then you can still hold that short position. Personally, I'm there in UK oil. I'm not trading US oil because UK oil for me, it was looking much better opportunity than US oil. And you do not have to trade both of them because it's the same market, kind of it's double exposure if you do. So what do we have right now? That's the monthly time frame, and it is expected to go down, and this is what's happening. The market is falling down. There can be little bullish weeks or days, but it is expected to fall down further down, and it is expected to reach near about this structure here, 43, or even first level will be near about 50, 52, and then there'll be 46 and then 43 level or so. So let's see how it actually plays out. We'll look at those structures in a second. Right now, this is how it is looking. The market was extremely bullish and we were riding on it, and then it started to fall down. And I mentioned that this was actually turning into an M pattern, and that is why it was actually falling down. So if I bring in original analysis, this is the FCP zone, and very, very accurately it came right into there, performed a retest, gave us double top kind of structure, and started to fall down right into 58.12. I mean, it is not exactly touch, but yeah, it's very, very close. And this is the first target. The second target is going to be around here. Now, if the market starts to move higher, then we are looking at this particular line, 63.16, or back into this FCP zone. Once the FCP zone is broken, then only we are looking for bullish movement. Okay, once that has been broken. So far, there are no signs. There are signs of it actually falling further down. So far, it is creating this M pattern. That's why the market is going upwards. And if I draw Fibonacci on this leg here, this can very well come into the one of these levels. If you're looking for movements on smaller time frames, then these levels can be important to you. Okay, otherwise this is looking very, very good. It is falling down and the first target has been met. So that's US oil. And now let's look at UK oil. UK oil also did exactly the same. So this was the zone between these two lines. So that was the FCP zone here, and the market went up and started to fall down. It reached the first target of 65.17 and then reached target of 62.31. Remember, there is a gap here as well, so it can fall back down into 59. So 60 number is also psychological round number here as well. So all going well, and this is looking very good. If you want to get involved in this opportunity, then you must wait for the market to reach its profit potential of this M pattern here. So if I draw Fibonacci on here, what I see that market may actually come to 65.17, and in extreme case it can also come to near about this area or so. So if the market comes here and if you find a confirmation to go short, you take that. Okay, and if the market goes below this 62.31 and gives us a confirmation to go short, then that can also be a good opportunity. Right now, if we took this long from the support of 62.31, that would have been a really, really good opportunity. Personally, I've been holding a US oil, UK oil from this top around somewhere around here, and I've been riding all this way. I took my first profit around here just to minimize my risk, but then I entered again and I've been holding that position. So this is what you can do on UK oil. Let's look at on US oil once more. So you could have taken long from here, and now at any of these levels, if you find a confirmation, good confirmation, then you can go short again. So this is what we have on UK oil and US oil. This has turned out to be really, really good. And if you enjoyed this, or if you found this useful, if you made money on this analysis, make sure you hit the like button, put in a comment below this video, and share it with other traders so that they can also benefit from it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.